Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is features of JavaScript. Okay. Let's see. First feature is JavaScript is a lightweight interpreted programming language. Okay. Lightweight because all the data handling is done on the browser only. So it is a lightweight programming language. Second feature is JavaScript is a scripting language and it is not Java. Okay, the names are similar but both the languages are different one. Okay, Java is programming language and JavaScript is a scripting language. All scripting languages are programming languages, but all programming languages are not scripting languages. Okay, so we will see the next feature. It is not object oriented because it does not allow object inheritance, and but we can say that the JavaScript can be object based language, okay, as it depends on collection of built-in object for functionality. Okay, in the JavaScript there are many built-in objects like array, string, number, date. Okay, so we can say the JavaScript is an object-based language. Okay, next feature is JavaScript is event-driven as it is able to respond user actions by using the input devices. For example, there we can see the show and hide button. When you click on the show, it will show the information, and when you again click, it will hide the information. Okay, this is nothing but event driven. Okay, next feature is all the JavaScript programs are designed to execute inside the HTML document. Okay, we have already know that JavaScript we are using HTML document to integrate our JavaScript code. Okay, we can say that JavaScript code is embedded inside a HTML document. Okay, the next feature is it is platform independent or portable language. It is platform independent because it can run on any browser like Netscape, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, or Internet Explorer. Any browser, the JavaScript can be run on any browser. So we can say that it is platform independent or portable language as it can be run on any OS, okay, operating system. Next, it supports dynamic typing of a data. Dynamic typing of a data means when you declare a variable, whatever data you are storing in that variable, that data will define the type of your variable. Okay, suppose variable a is equal to 10, which is integer value, then the data type of that variable a is integer. If you store string value, then the data type becomes string. Okay, so this is one of the most advantageous feature of dynamic JavaScript is dynamic typing. Next, ability to create function in the script. Okay, here we can create our own function to handle some events or to perform some action. Okay, so this next feature is handling date and time. Here JavaScript allows us to handle date and time of we can set or reset the dates and time of our system in JavaScript. Next feature is client-side validation. We can perform the client-side validation using JavaScript. For example, in the registration form, if there is a phone number field, that phone number field should be numeric data. If you entered any alphabets or special character, it should give error to the user. So that type of validation is performed at the client side by using a JavaScript. Again, JavaScript is a case sensitive language. Okay, so these are the features of JavaScript. Thank you.